And actually, the highly proficient here is not too bad. I think that there are some hints that are given in this to figure out the highly proficient. But the really important clue here is that line A, B, and C are all parallel. So if I know that B is parallel with C, and I know that A and C are parallel, I can see some interesting things that happen just looking at this, just looking at the screen here. You may have already known this, but hopefully it makes sense that if you have a line that is a straight line that goes through one line and then goes through another line that's parallel, it should be going through at the same angle. So that means that all of these angles here should match all of these angles here. There are hints to give that away that we've already seen. For instance, right angles D, E, and F are the same line crossing parallel lines with K, L, and M. And notice that we have 100 goes with 100 and 80 with 80s, and all of the angles are the same. The upper left angle in both of them is 100, and the upper right is 80. The lower right is 100, and the lower left is 80. That's the same for both. And that's also true here. We have this other straight line, and you can see that these angles are 53 and 127. These angles are also 53 and 127. So there's evidence here on this page that straight lines going through parallel lines go through at the same angle. So if you picked that up, or if you already knew it, or if you were just able to figure it out with just by thinking about these, then you will know that BB matches 72, and so that should be 72 degrees. AA should be 108, CC should be 108, and 3Z plus 5 should equal 72. So now I know that AA is 108, BB is 72, and CC is 108. And then I have not solved Z yet, but I know that 3Z plus 5 is equal to 108. And if that's true, then I can just simplify this. Minus 8, or minus 5 minus 5. Now I know that, 3Z, let's make sure we do this right. 3Z is not equal to 108. 3Z plus 5 is not equal to 108. It's equal to 72. So 3Z then should equal 67. And then if 3Z is equal to 67, then when I solve this, I would divide by 3 and divide by 3 to figure out what 1Z is, and 1Z would equal to 22 and 1/3. So Z is not an angle, but the value of it is 22 and 1/3. And when you multiply it by 3 and add 5, you do get an angle, which is 72. All right, here are all of the answers.